I've got a fork for sure, but let's see one. Let's see one. Let's see one try. Try some of the right. Did you get some of this already?
No, put one on it.
Come on. You want some of this?
Sorry, fried chicken. Come on, don't stop one of them. Come on.
And you want fried chicken? Oh, no, Zach, are you eating?
Water we do, yeah?
Yeah, water is
one
good.
of the best thing that. My God. It's a meat, you know.
I'll try to separate this one. I'm going to cut it all the way through. Deal with it. Go on with that.
Alright.
And you want some of this?
Yeah, man.
Wow, they're going to look confused in here, brother.
Well, as long as me understand it.
I don't know why they're not bringing my spoons.
Yeah, that's it.
You want a rice?
Yeah, no.
You want a rice, right?
You get a fork.
I tell you, food already, you know, about you is a meat, man.
Get some spoons for now, please, because
No, one is good, one is good.
one's good.
A spoon, yeah?
Yeah, spoons. Yeah.
What's up, man?
Potato salad?
Tell you I need better.
Yeah, you're gonna. I didn't even realize.
I'm an old man, I live so long for a reason. I have a little experience.
You know, yeah. And some of this.
Fried chicken?
Yeah, put that on there. This is the Barbie fry?
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
See, guys.
Barbie fry. You want curry goat or you want?
Sure. We're trying a little bit of everything.
You want rice on these?
Yeah? No rice.
No rice.
Strictly meat. Going for the good stuff. Actually, yeah, let me get some rice on please.
You want some of the cold food?
Yeah. Let me try. We're trying everything.
Alright. Have a spoon.
You guys can see this.
Oh, this is barbecue. Barbecue
Nah,
chicken.
that's barbecue fried chicken.
It's barbecue fry.
Yeah, that's barbecue fried chicken.
What's it
That's the
called?
barbecue chicken.
Oh, that's a
That's the baked chicken.
The roast
You gave me
chicken.
Barbie fry? Yeah.
You may know now.
My God.
Alright, guys.
That's why we're doing this for you guys. You should be here.
I remember they do catering, any event. Wedding, birthdays. Ton meal is amazing.
The coleslaw.
I don't even like ton meal. But I'm like, these guys, they make things that I don't like taste so good. Let me try. And I was not disappointed.
This is how wonderful this thing here is. So colorful. My God.
We can do a big event. On Sunday.
I want you guys to share the video. That's the
Good
key.
promotion.
Share the video.
What you doing? Come on, man.
Yeah, come
Let me get this stuff, bro.
When you finish here,
Eh?
when you finish here, we just take a little piece here and a little piece there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Food is great, guys.
Yeah.
Mother always tell me, say, don't talk and eat, but I have to do it for now.
Take some of this one, bro.
Yeah, this style.
See, we just go.
And this is not the cow food that Macadam sing about. This is the right one.
Get a taste of some of this.
Yeah.
This cow foot is not Macadam, no. This is the right one. Original.
This is really awesome.
Put the coleslaw.
What kind of chicken was this?
Yeah,
Sweet and sour chicken.
Sweet and sour chicken. This is amazing.
It's like this there, please, bro.
Oh.
No wonder this is one nice signature.
Coleslaw. Coleslaw, bad man.
That's my best dish.
Try the coleslaw.
Oh, you never tried it?
No, not yet. Guys, if you want to make a road trip, you're in Jamaica, you're in the surrounding area, and you want to take a road trip. You know, sometimes when you visit, you want to go on the road, you want a little bit of driving, and you're a foodie, you have to try this place. You have to try this place. And I've been to some expensive restaurants in some different countries, and I'm telling you, this food beats a lot of them. Probably almost all of them. This food's amazing. The food is prepared here. The meat is fresh, as you guys saw earlier in the video. It doesn't get any better.
Well, it actually get better, you know. The taste is superbly great. Couldn't call me that. Gotcha.
This trip did not disappoint.
But who could I tell a little small place like this would food so great?
So good. But to be honest, when I had the food in Portmore, and the girl I was with, she cooks. She's a big cook. And she was like, whoa. And you know, people that cooks a lot, they're kind of funny, you know?
Yeah.
And she was like, what got me was the soup. The soup was really good.
Some viewers and subscribers eat up. As you can see, we have a water and we have a jug and we have beer. Tiara.
You guys can Google them to get the location. NU, what's it? NU.
NU''S Smokehouse. SMOKEHOUSE.
Golden Springs. But it's spelled like NU.
No, one N.
So N.
NU.
Okay.
Apostrophe S. NUNU'S Smokehouse.
So NU Smokehouse. Google it if you want directions. That's what I did. And directions was good. Come here early too. What's the best day? Do you make the same thing every day, or do you have different days for different things?
Fridays is a high day.
Okay.
Because a lot of people don't cook on a Friday. So we roll it up on a Friday. Mondays are lowest day today.
So
Is our lowest
yeah,
day.
because
Just
Sunday,
like
Monday,
yeah.
people cook yesterday. But what I want to know is, all this stuff on the menu, is it every day or some days they do different
Every
things?
day is a different menu coming in.
Oh, that's awesome.
But we keep it strictly to the taste and the flavor that we got presented right here.
Yeah, but different things to try. That's good. So you'll never get tired of the food, guys. There's a lot of different things on the menu every day. So do you guys do like red pea soup and those things? What day is that?
What day should we have? Thursday?
That's a
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
That's my favorite.
So, everything they pan pan.
I'm telling you.
Mike, drug on this?
You know what I like? when you go downstairs by the exit, they have like a what do you call that? Like where you can wash your hands and stuff before you eat. I've never really seen that down here before. I like that idea. They have like a sink by the main door, so you can order your food, wash your hands, and then go have your food. And when you're finished, you can wash your hands and before you leave. So I actually like that idea. You know, like the thing by the door there. Yeah.
Gotta keep hygiene, you know? Good hygiene.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that. And you don't really see a lot of restaurants down here.
Tonka meal, coleslaw, and a chicken. No style.
You need to bring him out to Portmore.
Huh? No, he's never been there.
You need to bring him out there, man.
Yeah, man. If he's available Friday or Saturday, we'll just drive up there, we'll jump on the highway,
Who's this?
and we'll just go.
Why?
You know, I came there, was it last week? But you're sleeping in the car. Was it last week? Was it last week?
And they told me
Week before.
that was tired.
Yeah, man, I was talking to your wife.
I get no rest.
You guys, you know,
That's why
like.
you came and taste the festival and see that the festival is on.
Way better now, yeah. Way better.
Listen, there's another young man that likes to run away.
Yeah.
I have to hold on to him tight. Because
This one right here.
that's the future right you're looking at.
Yeah. I like that he keep him close. Alright.
But like I said, the thing now, you're not boring in no part time.
Yeah.
Full of flavors.
Yeah, man. Flavors. I tell you.
Sorry guys. You have to just eat it with your hand. The fork is not cutting it.
But down here, still, in Jamaica, this is how you eat chicken.
Let's grab it.
Yeah, man, you have to get finger fear. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And how you get finger fear now, you know, in time it's properly seasoned. Seasoned marinate onto the bone, you have to get to there
Yeah.
to hold it properly.
This is amazing. They have a beautiful piece of property. Staff is friendly. Owner is accommodating. I'm happy. I woke up. You know, when I turned my phone on, you're the first person who's calling me. So I text you right away. I said, I'm getting ready, but I wasn't even sure you're gonna be awake.
No, man.
But I was shocked when you say okay. I'm like, oh, this guy actually keeps his word. But I told myself I'm coming regardless.
Well, I hope you have a good time.
I did.
This is the... It's a lot that you can... I need like two good people. On an entrepreneurial level,
Yeah.
when we get off here, I'm going to tell you something.
I'm ready, man.
No, so I'm going to get up when the camera is.
Oh, yeah.
That's something I want to tell you.
Food.
Yeah. Get some right as tongue down.
Right now, the capabilities with it right now could be the best in restaurants in the country.
Yeah, I think so. And what I like, you have a good location. Right at the side of the road. No walking, no extra. Just boom, you pull up, you're ready to go. You know what I mean? Just jump on your car.
This one, a whole other part.
Yeah. After the thing.
Not a problem, yeah.
So when you come in, you drive into the gate,
Yeah.
go down here,
You're gonna clean up back there.
put a filter.
Make it nice, concrete it up.
We're going to put it with mall.
Yeah. Mall is better, yeah. The black mall, yeah. Make it look professional.
Black arrow. Parking for NUNU'S restaurant,
Yeah.
enter this way, and then drive up and over on the other side.
You end up, yeah, that's a great idea. And then them can go left or right when they come out.
So
Only
guys,
one that I have. Like this, we don't have time for it.
okay.
If we ever were able to get to the back of the river,
They've been over. Imagine you can go eat your food and the river is running. Different ball game.
I have to get it by the water.
What's stopping you though?
I don't own the property, man.
Yeah, somebody else owns it.
But I don't see any reason why we can't buy it.
That is true. And the good thing about here, it's not fully developed yet. So the price is low, you know?
This is when you should buy.
Yeah.
So hold on.
And build it up.
So when the road should widen,
Roads start widen, yeah. Bigger companies start coming in, they're gonna wanna start
a lot of
buying
people
it.
don't know this. Constant Spring was worse than this.
Yeah, I believe it. Yeah. Ghost Town. And then that, you know, the taboo, this, that, you know,
Look at Constant Spring Square now with all the malls.
everywhere, full of
When I was
people.
growing up, one shop.
You know, all the conference.
One shop, the farmers and man.
That was it.
Look at it now.
And that's the thing about real estate that I like. There's no rush. Just buy it. Yeah, don't worry. Just buy it, own it, and just wait.
Oh, you see where I park my car?
Mm-hmm. The river.
Where I park my car. On the farm.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You know who owns that property?
Cool.
The guy who owns True Valley.
You have to choose that? The one on Constance Spring? Fields or something?
No, I got it. The one that sells the food. That old mall right there across from tax office. New mall.
Okay.
New Plaza.
Yeah.
On the left hand side.
I don't know that one.
You know how long you owned that property before you developed it? It's about 89 years.
You knew it was the right time.
This is property right across from my farm?
Yeah. So you know if people like that is buying the land, you know it's gonna come a time where it's gonna be developed. And then you're gonna just be sitting collecting money.
As you grow,
They're right.
the money that you have in the bank,
Yeah.
don't hold on to it.
Let it work for you.
Buy land.
That's true.
Buy land.
God isn't making any more land, that's for sure.
Buy land.
Yeah, cause the money is sitting
You
there
guys
just
finished?
doing nothing. You
Me?
know.
Yeah, man. I wanna try some of this chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to give these guys something.
Oh yeah, go ahead, man.
No, take what you want.
No, it's okay. I didn't know that's what you're gonna do. I thought you guys were gonna put it away.
No, man.
No man, give them some. Go ahead. It's good. I like that. Let me video you doing that. Yeah,
No,
man.
no.
You know? He's a businessman, philanthropist, and he's kind. And most of all, he's humble. He doesn't even want you to see the charitable stuff he's doing. And there's not a lot of people like that. Most people, when they give, they want everybody to know they're giving. So you see how this man deserves the blessing. He deserves the highlights. I want you guys to push this video out, share, subscribe. You know, we have Rohan here. Get used to him. He's gonna be a regular. You know, we have a second, Chris, all the way from UK. Yeah, I know the girls are gonna love you.
What?
Yeah. You should have gave out your number.
Doing this thing, doing
Yeah.
this thing. He don't need no more problems.
Number girl. All right, go ahead. Yeah.
Put your plate. One thing me know though.
Have some of that? You taste it? You taste that?
No.
No man, you can give it to them. Yeah. The food is amazing, honestly. And I know a lot of time we do these videos, you see people over exaggerating about the quality of the food. There's no over exaggerating. Everything is fresh. You saw for yourself. Everything is fresh. It's close by, you know. And this man takes pride in his stuff. And when people take pride in their work, it's gonna turn out good. Yeah, and most of all, what I like, this man cares about his community. He truly cares about his community.
What the fuck, that's the reason behind everything. I understand. The man that motivates as him go. You cannot dismotivate you. Like a man from the community go and come back and doing this total nothing.
The greatness of his art.
Yes.
So that you can see development within his community.
Simple. And if everybody follow suit and come on board. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Yeah.
That's why this video worth share and subscribe some more so we can make more content like these of great people and great foods.
Positive things being done in Jamaica.
Yes.
It was my pleasure to come here. I've never been up here before, but I'm very happy I took the trip.
Food, fellowship, and friends. Food, fellowship, and friends. That's what this is about. Building one community at a time.
That's why, guys, I want you guys to put a special attention on this video. This man deserves to get this video to go out there. The work he's putting in, him believing in his community, believing in his people. He's faced a lot of obstacles. It's not all peaches and cream, as you heard in the earlier videos, but he stayed steadfast. He didn't get deterred because he believed in his community so much, and now he's a pillar in his community. So this is like a dream for me, and I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to even come here, honestly, to be a part of something like this, you know.
Thank you so much, Mike.
Yeah.
This has been a dream for me too. This has been my life's dream. This is my passion. This is what I get up every morning too. This is what I go to bed at night thinking about every night. So this is a dream for me as well.
Yeah, man, and the entrepreneur efforts even go further. So it could capture in all of this. So I say, we're going to have a follow-up on other things about this God sent, heaven sent man, the same way. You understand? Yeah, man. And there's a lot of things, trust me. Me motivated, trust me. I mean, it's a food, I tell you, oh my God. As bro say, we can go some places where the presentation by them entrance look good, but the food is not superbly great as this. You would have to taste and know.
Yeah. Right now, we just want to say thank you for being here with us, enjoying this moment, tasting the food, see what quality, and I hope in the future we get to meet some of the fellow followers to introduce them to the place and to the taste of a unique quality food within Golden Spring community. So it's a pleasure to have you here with us. Yes.
All right, guys. So we're gonna give a final word to the boss man before we get out of here. So give us a final word, final advice for people out there that would hope to one day get on your level. Even though you say you haven't fully reached where you're going, but you know, we still have to give God thanks because you reached really far. You know, so what advice do you have for someone coming back from America or abroad that wants to invest in Jamaica?
Believe in your country. Believe in your family. Believe in your community. We can't do a lot of great things, but what we can do is we can build our families and we can build our community. Those are the two things that we have the power to impact and influence. And just stay prayerful, because God performs miracles every day. With that, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel and follow us on YouTube. Thank you.